Hey, I'm Frida with WTI. So I got these from a friend online and they're very old. I couldn't figure out how to hang them on my wall without actually ruining the integrity of the bowl itself. Until I found these plate hangers from Hotop. I don't know why this didn't dawn on me a year earlier. I got the variety pack because each of the bowls is a different diameter. They're perfect because depending on the depth of the bowl, you can adjust the holder to where they all still lay flush on the wall. It comes with these little hangers, and I didn't feel like I was doing very much damage to my kitchen cabinet by hanging those on there, and it was the perfect way to display these beautiful bowls. They're made for dishes, and so I had to adjust the back just a little bit more since the depth of these bowls is a little bit more than a normal dish, but they worked out just great. They were easy to hang. It even worked really well for these wooden paddles. Completely versatile. It came in a set with a variety of different sizes because all of the bowls are different sizes too. If you also are having a dilemma not knowing how to hang and display your beautiful vintage ware, this is the perfect way to do it. And that's my point of view.